So let us go back to the sheet and see we have demonstrated all this for exponent. Exponent, we can use exponents. Most of the time this is used in scientific formulae. All you need to do is place the number. Say, maybe we can think of somewhere where we can introduce exponents. Is there a possibility where we can think of, let us think like this. Say, for example, pay that the individual is receiving, the employer doubles it. So this is employer's contribution. Employers, let me type that, employer's contribution. Now, what does the employer do? Now, whatever money the person earns, he squares it. So that is going to be equal to, so this quantity, close the parenthesis, place the caret sign, shift and caret, and you raise it to the power of 2. So that is the value that we are getting. So if you are squaring this up, it's not doubling, we are squaring it. So 40 times 40 is close to 40, it's 1600. So this is absolutely correct. Right, so the employer, what does he do? Whatever salary that the person, of course, it is not going to happen in reality. Just for the sake of example, I'm just mentioning. So employer contribution is what? Whatever value or whatever amount that the person has received, it is doubled. So if I were to pull this up, and this is what I get. So since this is in dollars, I need to place the dollar sign and we get a beautiful table. So I have demonstrated here exponents.